So this video is to demonstrate how to submit an abstract requesting statistical results. So basically the first thing you have to do is to get a hold of the data dictionary for the database you're trying to use for your abstract. The data dictionary basically looks something like this. You have a variable name, and very important, you have to have the variable code. So the variable code is the name of the variable in the source data, and then you have the meaning of the variable. Once you have these two pieces of information, what you have to do is basically to create an abstract template. And this is actually an abstract out of a real example. Basically, you would write the abstract exactly in the way you would write it for submission. The only difference is as you get into the methods and the results um, of the study, what you do is instead of entering the actual results, you simply say, what you expect to have. So, for example, in the method section, in this section of the abstract, there should be the statistical methods. Of course, since the analysis has not been done at this point, you don't know what it is. So you simply put it in brackets and preferably in a font with a different color, for example, in red. And this is a message to the statistical programmer. And basically that person will enter these statistical methods here. In the results, for example, discharge abstracts of brackets total number of subjects. So that sends a message to the statistical programmer of exactly what type of information you expect to have in the abstract. For one important concept for the template of the conference abstract is that your conclusions don't have to be right. You can be wrong, and it's not a problem. But what's really important is to point out that the type of information you want. For example, here in the abstract, we say that most patients were predominantly white and male. Well, that's an assumption. That's not really important. If that's not true, in the abstract, the statistical programmer will return the real values for you. So that basically concludes the explanation.